Hey friends, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial with a $50 makeup bundle today. So I'm excited to show you all the good things and to share a few of my tips with you. So I've already got the bones of my makeup on. I already have my foundation. I'm using my Cashmere Complexion Foundation. I already have my blush, which is our, let me find it here, gotta find it, is the Cashmere Multi-Palette. So I've already got that on and I have my brows done. So I want to show you this palette because I'm so excited about it and it's a great deal. It's got lots of products in it and we're going to use all those products. I'm going to show you how to work those into your makeup routine. So I'm not sure if you can see, these are all the products that are available in this $50 bundle. A lot of them are products I use every day. Trying to show you up close, it's probably backwards. It is $143 value, so I'm going to show you how to use them and how to make them work and how to get a great deal. Here's the thing, even if you don't use all these products, you could give some of them as gifts, so that's a major win-win. So let's hop in. Two of the products in this bundle is two of our Glimmer Shadows, which I've used previously. It's Peach Sapphire and Fool's Gold. So I'm going to work both of those in on my eyes and show you how to make it pop. So we're going to do Peach Sapphire first, and I am just going to put it up here, kind of in that crease area that I normally like to work in, and I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to kind of pat it in. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. It gives me a little extra shimmer. Kind of feel like a unicorn, right? We all want to feel like a unicorn. Okay. So the cool thing with these Glimmer Shadows is you could really just do it around the bottom of the lid of the eye. I just am going to try this style. I've never done it before. So you are seeing a first with me. We're going to learn together. I have a hair on. It's not a hair. It's a, there we go. It's a, what's it called? Brush fiber. Okay, so I'm just taking my brush and really just kind of blending it in after I put that on. I don't want to leave a line per se. I really want it to be just kind of blended around on that lid and covering a little bit more space. So the other thing I love about these different Glimmer Shadows is if you're doing already, maybe you've done like a full face or full eye look, and then you want just something to add a little glimmer on it, you could totally put it on top of your other eye makeup. So we're going to do Fool's Gold now. This is one of my favorite colors. And with this one, I'm going to take it and put it on my hand. You can see, I guess I should swatch these. Can see how pretty that is. It's really a pretty color. Let me go back and swatch Peach Sapphire for you. So I'm going to swatch this one. See how pretty they are. So definitely great additions for adding to makeup. Okay, so with that Fool's Gold, I'm just going to pick it up with my brush, and then I'm going to go back in here on the lid, and I'm going to blend it to that Peach Sapphire. Oh, that looks so pretty. Definitely a glam eye. Yes, if you have dancers, cheerleaders, dancers in like kids dance classes, this would be a great way to add a pop of color on their dance recitals or dance competitions too. I love love to watch kids dance competitions. I cannot be the only person that enjoys that. Let me know in the comments if you are a dance mom. They're so cute, and I love they just get out there and just move with such confidence and no fear. Girl, wish. Okay, I am blending it into that peach because I don't want it to look like two distinct colors. I want them kind of blended. Yes, girl. Okay. I get attitude. I get attitude when I get some sparkle on. Okay. The next thing that is in this $50 bundle is the chocolate brown glimmer stick and the wide awake glimmer stick. And I don't have that one. I sold it to a customer, so I don't have it to show you. But I am going to show you. I've got this pulled out too far. Dark chocolate. It is such a pretty color. There we go. I haven't used it in a while, so I had to get it warmed up. Okay, let's go underneath. You could even, now that I'm thinking about it, I could even bring some of that Glimmer Shadow down underneath and give it a little extra highlight underneath. So totally could use it underneath the eyes, and I'll go back and pick that up and do it in just a second. Also in this palette is the two different mascaras. So I'm going to do one on each eye. There we go. Oh, why I'm having such a hard time getting my hand to work this morning. Okay. Good deal. I'm going to take that brush and I pick just a little bit, and I swatched that chocolate brown there. I'm just going to add a little bit here on the edges. There we go. So pretty. Okay. Next you get two mascaras. So you get our Wash Off Waterproof and our Love Mascara. Both are great mascaras that I love and that I use often. So I'm going to do the Love on the right side and the Wash Off Waterproof on the left side and let you look. You could also, super cool thing about both of these mascaras, if you wanted to layer them and do like the Wash Off Waterproof first and then the Love second, you could totally do that with these mascaras. I don't really think there would be a reason that you would need to, but you could totally do it. Okay, let's go in with Love first. So our Love mascara has these beautiful heart-shaped fibers that attach to your lashes and lengthen and give them such a volume. You can just see. And the cool thing is those heart-shaped fibers do not get into your eyes. They do not. So this would be a cool bundle now that I'm thinking about it. This would be a cool bundle to like split with a best friend. And y'all could like split it up. I didn't even think about that. Okay, so we got Love mascara on one side. Let's do the Wash Off Waterproof on the other. Has some great volume attributes to it. I love this brush because it's so easy to help you separate out your lashes. Just kind of going over, working it in. Beautiful, beautiful look. But you can definitely see the difference in the lengthening with the Love mascara. But I also love how the Wash Off Waterproof gets in there with those bottom lashes. So you could like use the Love on top and the Wash Off Waterproof on bottom. There's so many ways you could totally. Okay, I'm gonna go one more coat on this one and bring these up. You need to bring them up, girl. Okay. Yes. Okay. We're not finished. We are not finished. You also get Magic's Dust Setting Powder, which is my favorite setting powder. So I'm going to tap it into my lid, pick it up with my little fluffy brush. Just going to set my makeup for the day. It has this beautiful fine formula that just really, it doesn't add color, it just sets it in place. Okay, that's not it. That's not all. We still have more products. We're gonna do the Love highlighter that also comes in this bundle. So I'm just gonna highlight since I have a little glam look going on in my eyes. This is part of it. I'm gonna go here on my Cupid's bow and just Cupid's bow on my temples. I can't talk. I'm gonna go right here on my Cupid's bow, kind of highlight a little bit, just where the sun, where you really want the sun to hit, is where you put just a little bit of highlighter. A little bit down here. Gonna do just a little here. So this cushion is so cool. So you just put your little pad in, you just pick it up, and then just pat it on. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Lipsticks. So you know I'm crazy about our Mattitudes. I'm mad about Mattitudes. So you get the Ambitious Mattitude and you get the Triple Bar, which this one is like $20 by itself. Triple Bar Lip Balm. So we're going to do both. We're going to go in with Ambition first. And such a pretty color. It's going to go on liquid. It's going to dry matte. And then I'm going to give it just a second to kind of dry down. And then I'm going to go back, and your tint bar is kind of like a gloss. It's so cool. It has all these different colors. All right. Feels so good on my lips. Feels so good. So that is our $50 makeup palette or bundle. You get so many products. I mean, let me just hold these up for you here. Let me see if I can get them all in my hand. All of this right here, all of it for $50. That is incredible. But that's not it. We have more $50 bundles. So this is the Spring Nudes Makeup collection. Show you that. We also have a great skincare bundle. Oh, what happened here? Uh-oh. Wanted to back out on me. Let me get back here. So, like I said, these could be a great bundle for a gift. It could be a great bundle to split with like your sister, your best friend, or with your kids. It could be a great bundle that you could put some stuff up for Christmas, maybe for little things that go in a little sock for your family members. There's all different things that you could do with this bundle. So we also have the $50 skincare bundle. Here we go. The $50 skincare bundle has the Rice Water Cleanser, Dual Elixir, Under Eye, and the Supreme Cream. It's $173 value for $50. And then we also have the Head to Toe bundle, which has some great CBD creams that help with skin dryness, with pain. Let's see, I'm trying to get this so that my ring light doesn't Let me see if I turn this light off. There we go. We can actually see it. It has Dr. Groot's shampoo or serum for thinning hair and a antibacterial gel. So all of these are available on my website, which is youravon.com/jwoolsey, or you can message me and I can get it ordered for you. So don't miss out on these great deals. Thank you so much for getting ready with me this morning. I hope that you have a beautiful day and that you do something fun and adventurous. We'll see you all later. Bye, guys.